In this informative video, we will thoroughly dissect and examine the components of the valve, exploring its function and significance. Based on the detailed information provided, it appears that the system contains a specialized waxy substance that effectively operates the opening and closing mechanism of the thermostat or valve when the temperature reaches 82 degrees Celsius, ensuring precise temperature regulation and control. The cut has been successfully made, allowing us to proceed with our investigation. It is crucial to emphasize that no one should attempt to perform this experiment at home due to safety concerns. Now, we have carefully extracted the outer iron component. Next, we will explore the interior of the coil, and we will continue by removing the protective cover to examine what lies beneath. Under the spring, notice there are two springs or zambars. With this disassembly, this is the thermostat. Now we put it on the fire. Notice the flames have risen. Now this nail and the bad smell. Notice we put it on the smoke, a lot of smoke. Notice they use it on the fire. The smell is nauseating. Ooh, wow. This impressive container is the wax reservoir specifically designed to store the wax safely and efficiently. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and support our work. We truly appreciate your patience as we conduct this scientific experiment. And please don't try this at home.